please do spare a moment to hit the red subscribe button and also the bell notification icon to get notifications about our future updates. This is MSRSPM again with another leak about the Xiaomi Mi A2. So as in this image, as you can see, the first image, the first phone that we could see is the Xiaomi Mi A2, and it is priced 17,500 rupees. That is the leak that we have got recently. You can see it is 17,500 rupees. I don't know why it came or what was the reason for this to come, but when I'm looking now, it is when I looked it for it later, it was not, I wasn't able to see this thing. The next leak is about the Meizu phone. We can see the back side of the phone over here. The back side of the phone, that is all, has a fingerprint scanner, a different kind of fingerprint scanner, to back cam. That is all what you have got. And something inside, I don't know actually what it means. The next leak is about the Oppo R17. Yes, we can see the full view of the phone, how the phone is going to look like. And they also said that it will have a fingerprint scanner in the back for Oppo R17 and in-display fingerprint for the Oppo R17 Plus phones. We can see the features of the specifications. It says, no, it's about the Xiaomi procophone F1. It says it is Snapdragon 845 octa-core processor, 64GB internal storage, 6GB RAM, dual SIM, 4G, triple camera. That is one of the main features. 20 megapixels, 15 megapixels, and 5 megapixels. Quick charge 3.0. 4000 mAh battery, liquid cooling system, graphite black. This is all we have to go, and this is how the phone is going to look like with the knots, and it looks beautiful, I believe. This is the thing about this, and it cost about 1919 RON. That's about 500 USD, I believe so. That was what I found. This is all about today's leak. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.